All right, so we've got a 24-pound turkey, and I'm going to go over real quick how I prepare it every year. So here's the turkey. It's been defrosting for about 12 hours now. So while awaiting the defrost, we're going to go ahead and cook up the brine kit. I'm using this just pre-made, pre-mixed kit, and I'm going to mix 4 quarts of water, boil it, and stir this in. So 1 quart is approximately 940 milliliters. So 4 quarts would probably take 2 of these large carafes. This is 2000 cc or 2 liter, 2000 milliliters. So I'm gonna fill it up with water and then find a pot big enough to boil, to dissolve the brine. I'm gonna go and use this pot right here. This is 5.5 quarts. Just to go over what's inside these packets, you have one of these spice kits right here. This is what we're going to dissolve. And it's nifty because they even include like a little bag to hold the turkey in the brine for later. It actually smells really good. This is pretty tight, so we're gonna leave it on low flame and cover it just to let it simmer so it doesn't boil over. Alright, good morning. Merry Christmas. It's down the morning after, and this is what the brine looks like. So we'll be putting this into the turkey mix. Now on here it says to add into the brine bag the turkey with 2 quarts of ice, 3 quarts of water, the brine solution, half a cup of vinegar, and then seal tightly. And also it has a note here, do not cook in brine bag. So I presume someone in the past has done that. So all right, let's get to it. So this is what the brine bag looks like. It's like a giant Ziploc bag. And the turkey's only been defrosting for 24 hours or so. So I'm not sure if it's defrosted through. And so we're gonna wait till reinforcement comes in a couple hours. All right, so the turkey's still in the bag. We have to put the bag down, and the instructions said we have to put in some ice and 2 more quarts of water. 3 more quarts of water, 2 quarts of ice, along with the turkey. All right, so without further ado, I'm just gonna cut the turkey open and just show you what we're doing. Yeah. So close. So that's how you brine a turkey. And now we're going to put it in the refrigerator, and it's set to let it sit for 1 hour for every pound. So this is 24-pound turkey, so we're going to let it sit for a day or so. All right, hope this helps you. Good luck.